In this video, we will explore how to override text, icons, and colors on a component instance in the Shadcn Studio Figma UI Kit. Starting by searching for the input component in the Assets panel and dragging it onto the canvas. Now looking at the Instance Properties panel on the right. First, changing the size from small to medium, then enabling Show Top and Show Bottom options. To update the placeholder text, simply edit it directly from the Instance Properties panel. No need to detach the component. Now enabling the left icon toggle. To change the icon, just select it from the same Properties panel and swap it with any icon of your choice, again, without detaching. Finally, selecting the icon and updating its color directly from the Design panel. That is how easily you can customize any component instance in Shadcn Studio. All properties, all in one place, no detaching required.